Hello, in this video of our machine learning using R series, I want to talk about how to implement the boosting using R packages. In this video, I want to show you how to implement three boosting methods. They are adaboost, gradient boosting, and XGBoost. So adaboost focuses on misclassified samples. It's fast, simple, and sensitive to noise, moderate accuracy, and easy to tone. Gradient boosting, also called GBM, fits trees to gradients of loss function, more flexible and robust than adaboost. Strong accuracy with moderate toning. The XGBoost, it is optimized, regularized gradient boosting. It's fast, scalable, and less prone to overfitting. The highest accuracy, but most toning required. In summary, adaboost is simple and fast, but noise sensitive. Gradient boosting is more flexible and accurate. XGBoost is the fastest, most regular, and typically most accurate boosting method. So first, we install these three R packages called the adabag and the GBM and XGBoost. Okay, we load them in, set a random seed. We create a data set with one dependent variable y, which is 0, 1 binary variable, and x1, x2 as continuous predictors. And we need to split the training and test data sets. Now let's implement the adaboost model. The syntax is we use the boosting function in adabag. So the syntax is ada_model, then boosting y, regressed on all the variables, data go to train on the training data set, and then final equal to 100. Okay. And then we can do prediction on the test data set, get the accuracy, and print out the accuracy of 71%. And for implementing gradient boost, we need to make sure that the dependent variable is numeric, because that's what that R package GBM requires. So if you don't convert it to numeric, you're going to get an error message. Okay. And then the syntax is similar. The GBM model. So this is GBM formula y tiered dot distribution equal to Bernoulli with 0, 1, data equal to train. The number of trees 1500, so that's quite a number of trees. Interaction depth 3 and shrinkage equals 0.1. Number of mean observation in node is 10. Verbals is false. And then we print out the prediction accuracy here. Okay. It's a little bit more troublesome to implement XGBoost. I did quite a bit trial and error to finally make this code work. First, we need to extract the training matrix and the test matrix. And then we need to actually originally assign train label and the test label as numeric, but I got error messages. I looked into the help file shown on the left, on the right. So it really requires this train label and test label to be factor. So then I convert them into factor. And then you have to use the XGB.D matrix for classification. Okay, that's also required for this package. So we create this train underscore SGB test underscore SGB. Now we train the model using XGBoost. Data go to train matrix, label go to train label. Now objective equal to binary logistic. Okay, so this requires the train label to be a factor. Okay, so n rounds equals 300, maximum depth 3, ada equals 0.05, verbals equals 0. These are the parameters you want to specify. So if you want to tone these boosting trees, then you probably need to do some additional toning. Okay, and then you can do the predictions and get the accuracy. Okay, and if you want, you can print out all the accuracy, and you can see the adaboost had 71%. The gradient boosting had 74.3%, and the XGBoost it had 74%. Okay, so I think the XGBoost really has an advantage when you have high dimensional data. Okay? And it can be scaled a lot quickly compared to the gradient boosting. Okay. All right. So I hope this video is helpful. So I run these R packages through trial and error on this simple simulated data set. And when you use these packages, you have to, as it really depends on the data you have, and you may have to do different trial and error fix bugs. So when the algorithms got complicated and data got complicated, probably it become an iterative process for you to really eventually get the workable R codes. And thank you, and good luck for learning machine learning. Thanks.